What is going on, guys and girls? Great news today. We've officially launched the beta access for WordRocket. So if you want to join, if you want to play around with the tool, use it for yourself, then you can officially go ahead and use the tool. So in today's video, I wanted to do a little bit more of an in-depth tutorial of WordRocket AI, and I'll actually show you guys how you can sign up for an account. Do keep in mind that it's still some small bugs in which we're working through. So if you see any of those bugs, you can always reach out to me at support@wordrocket.ai, and I'll be sure to get those fixed fairly quickly. You can start for completely free by using the free plan, which is $0 per month. As you can see, it is completely free to use, and you have access to only one template, which is the one-shot blog post template. But again, you're also able to use your own API key, and you can generate as much content as you like, at least for now. Now you can generate as much as you like. We may change that in the future. To get started, just hit start for free. And here is where you'll be able to create a new account. I've already went ahead and created my own account, so I'll just go ahead and log in, but you can create a new account pretty easily. You can also continue with Google. So that means you can actually go ahead and sign in through your Gmail account. So once you enter your credentials, you can click login and you'll be able to log into the account. Now, if it's your first time logging in, then you will need to add your API key. As you saw, it just popped up there. So you'll have to add your open API key. And if you don't know how to get your open API key, it's very, very easy. Just head over to OpenAI. And most likely you already have access to GPT 3.5 or even GPT-4 Turbo. If you've spent any money using the playground mode, then most likely you already have access to your API key. So you log in and then you head over to API keys. Then you can copy over any of these keys. You would need to create a new key and then use that key in WordRocket. Or if you already have a key that you're saving somewhere else, then you can use that for WordRocket. But essentially, it's very easy, again, as I mentioned, to get your API keys. And if you want to check to see which models you have available, just head over to the model picker and you'll be able to see which models you have available here. So most likely you'll have GPT-4 Turbo and GPT 3.5. If you do not have GPT-4 Turbo, then that just means that you need to spend some money on OpenAI in order to get access to a higher tier model, because the more you spend, I think it's about $10. If you spend more than $10, which is not that much, then you get access to GPT-4 Turbo. So very, very easy to get access to the API keys. So once you've entered your API key, now that's where you'll be able to generate content. So as I mentioned earlier, you have access to the one-shot blog post generator for completely free. So we can go ahead and start generating content. We can choose between GPT-4 or GPT-4 Turbo, and then we can start generating articles using this feature. Now, let's say we wanted to upgrade to be able to have access to all of these other plans. So right now we only have access to the one-shot blog post template, but maybe we want to use the SEO template, the long-form template, or the factual information template. Then what you would need to do is you would need to upgrade your plan. In order to do so, you can click on any one of these locked templates, or you can click on plans, head back over to WordRocket, and this is where you'll need to choose a plan. So you can go yearly or you can go monthly, or you can pay one time forever and get a lifetime deal. Now, we will be running some discount codes for the beta launch. So I'll be giving you guys $50 off the lifetime deal. So it would only be $200. And for monthly, I'll be also giving you guys $5 off per month forever. So it'll be $15. So if you want to see what those codes are, I will leave a link for those codes in the description below today's video. But essentially, all you have to do is choose whichever plan you like. So let's say we wanted to go ahead and start with a monthly plan. We can click monthly, click upgrade, and we need to enter the same email that we signed up for. So not a new email, the same email that we just signed up for. Enter that within this section. Okay, so I'm going to enter that same email, click OK. And as you can see, it will then take me over to the checkout page where I'll be able to enter my information and check out. And then once I do so, I will automatically be upgraded on this account with this email. So again, you can enter the promo code within this section here. So once you enter the code Betalaunch, as you can see, it will give you $5 off. So then you would only pay $14.99 per month. So I've went ahead and I've clicked subscribe. And as you can see here, I automatically go back to the WordRocket homepage. And now all of the templates are now unlocked. So that means I can use any template in which I like. So I can go use the GPT-4 template, the SEO template, the long form template, which allows you to write over 3,000 plus word articles. So this one is really, really good at giving you really long articles. SEO template would allow you to get more SEO optimized content by including your target keywords, including any blog post outline in which you want to include, and internal links. The factual template allows you to insert up to 822 words. And then let's say you wanted to write an article about the mortgage rate of 2024, and that information isn't available on GPT-4, then I can copy that information in here, and the AI will use that information to generate an an article. And then the guided mode allows you to generate your titles, then generate your paragraphs based upon those titles, and then generate an outline based upon those intro paragraphs, and then generate the full article. So it kind of is like a guided mode, which walks you through the content creation process. And all of your content is going to be stored in the My Content section. So once you generate content, it will be stored in this section here. And these are just some examples of the article in which I was able to generate. This was the first article, and then I was able to expand the article because that is a feature in which we have available. And as you can see here, you're able to get a lot of content here, right? It's pretty long, it's pretty in-depth, and then you can just go ahead and copy over that content, and you can paste it into your website. Or if you wanted to, you can do a quick word count over 2,500 words. You can then go ahead and copy this, you can download it, and you can edit the information. And then once you edit and save it, it will then be saved into the My Content section. So that is a in-depth walkthrough of WordRocket AI. I will be going in a little bit more in depth on the actual specific templates, but as of now, I want to show you guys how to actually sign up, how to get access to WordRocket, and how you can start using and getting the full works out of WordRocket when it's in its beta launch. If you guys like what you see and you would like to check out WordRocket for yourselves, I'll leave a link in the description below today's video. Even though we're still in beta and there's a lot of things in which we need to fix and add, and a lot of features in which we need to improve upon, I still think it's a very, very good AI writer. And it's also very affordable because it allows you to enter your own API key, and only paying about $15 per month if you get it during the beta launch. But at most, you're paying $20 per month, which is the same as ChatGPT. But in my opinion, you're able to get much better content from WordRocket compared to ChatGPT. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this first look at WordRocket. And if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below today's video. I will be taking any feedback that you guys have. You know, if you want to be as harsh as possible, that's fine. I can handle it. So whatever feedback you have, we would really appreciate it. You can leave me a comment below this video, or you can send me over an email at support@wordrocket.ai. I'll see you guys in the next video.